Some of us are a little confused at how to name that specific shape, so I found this flowchart to kind of help us out. So what we're looking at is up here there's polygons. So everything below this are all going to be polygons. Okay, so we know that polygons are figures that have straight sides and that are closed. So we have triangles, quadrilaterals, and all of these figures over here that have more than 4 sides. These are all polygons. Okay, so under that, what we're specifically going to be looking at are quadrilaterals, and then later on triangles. So quadrilaterals, quad means 4, so you just have 4 sides. So that means that every shape under here has 4 sides. So all of these are also quadrilaterals. All right, so under quadrilaterals, to get a little bit more specific, you have trapezoids. Trapezoids have at least one set of parallel sides. So you see this trapezoid up here has the top and bottom sides are parallel. Now, remember that it's at least one set of parallel sides. So a parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle, and square are actually still trapezoids because they come under it on this flow chart. Okay? But if a shape only has one set of parallel sides, its most specific name is a trapezoid. All right, well, if it has 2 sets of parallel sides, it's a parallelogram. So you see you have one set, top and bottom, and then a second set on the sides. So that's 2 sets of parallel sides, so that's a parallelogram. Then under parallelograms, so we know that rhombus, rectangle, and a square are all parallelograms. Well, a rhombus is a parallelogram that has 4 equal sides. So not only it has 2 sets of parallel sides, but every single side is the same length. All right, and over here with rectangle, it doesn't have to have 4 equal sides, but it does have to have 4 right angles. So it's a parallelogram with 4 right angles. And a square is very special because it's like a rhombus and a rectangle combined together. So it's a parallelogram that has 4 right angles and 4 equal sides. So you can say it's a rhombus with 4 right angles, or you could even say it's a rectangle with 4 equal sides. But a square is a rectangle and a square is a rhombus. So anyway, so hopefully that helps you guys try to figure out which of these quadrilaterals that shape is.